That's right, yeah. Where are we now?
Stopping at
Under
Harvey Street.
the tram.
Tram. Do you like tram, Nini?
So we're in the other street.
Which street?
Yeah.
Well, you can.
This stop is Harvey Street.
We are stopping at
Stop
Flinders
23.
Street Station, and we will catch the train to Mount Waverley. Not very far. How long do you reckon, Bob, from Flinders to Mount Waverley? How long in a train? 30. Is that 30 minutes.
Half an hour.
Guys, another day, another adventure for the family. Andito na kami sa Flinders Street Station. So we'll take the train to Mount Waverley. We are going to see a couple of friends. Nag-top up lang kami ng aming mighty para sa aming ticket. Let's go in. Okay. Going on?
Did you live here too?
She's got her own.
Oh, she's got a road car?
Yeah.
Okay, come through.
Thank you. Yes. Glen Waverley, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
10 minutes.
10 minutes. In platform 2.
That's why when you
There.
tell her I have my own, I put it up just in case.
Yeah. Good girl, ate. Alright, this way.
So he's like,
Definitely water, Daddy?
Well,
I think yung next na train ay kami na, guys.
What do I get?
Now we'll just share, yeah? Because when we go to Tito Jamie's bakery, we'll have a lot there. We'll just grab something from here to there, okay? Do you want that? The cookie? Hmm?
I don't want the cookie.
What would you like then? You tell Mama.
chips.
No, there's no more chips.
How about Doritos? We'll get Doritos?
No, we said no.
Huh? No more chocolate.
Dorito.
Or twisty.
Dorito.
Sa train na kami.
We buy our yaya.
I gotta see Tito Jamie.
We buy
So
our
pupunta tayo ng Mount Waverley, guys. At sa mga matagal na nating taga-subaybay dyan, alam na alam nyo kung ano yung at saan yung Mount Waverley. So sa Mount Waverley kami nakatira just before nag-move kami sa Brisbane. And obviously, nagkaroon kami ng mga kaibigan doon at isa na doon si Jamie. Siya yung may-ari ng bakery sa Mount Waverley kung saan kami bumili ng coffee namin, ng pies, ng muffins, and you know, bread and all. So, nag-message siya dahil Mike sa kanya kung available ba siya today. At sabi niya, yes. Kaya doon kami pupunta. Doon na kami magkakape. So, hindi pa kami nagkape, guys. Doon na kami magkakape pagdating natin sa bakery. But it's going to be very exciting kasi Ate Paris can't remember his face anymore. But, nung si Ate Paris ay maliit pa, pupunta kami doon. We always give Ate Paris like free muffins, yung mga, mga freebies. So, yeah, it's gonna be very, very exciting. Mga, yung mga meetings. Kasi ilang taon na rin, 3 years. Nah, you got no idea what he looks like? Hmm? You're gonna say hi to him when you see him. Hey, Nikhil! Uy! Up na! What are you doing there? Come, you wanna sit here next, Mama? Come. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, Ate?
Daddy should treat me about Jamie, and then like
Okay.
a bee just stung me on the face.
Yes.
And I remember I had some
Jamie's was your favorite iced chocolate in the world before.
Before, yeah, we'll see.
You love Jamie's iced chocolate.
That's because I didn't know that. I didn't know Tommy yet. Well, I can't do that.
We'll see.
His was your first
Now
favorite when you
arriving
lived in
at
Melbourne.
Burnley, change
was-
here for
he was your
Belgrade,
Tommy when you were in
Lilydale
Melbourne.
and Alamein services.
Every time we asked you like which one's better, you would always say Jamie's. And even when we first moved to Brisbane, you always said Jamie's is the best. I've got a video of you saying it.
Tommy,
Nah, don't got anymore.
please like touch you again.
Now you giving me a good warning.
Daddy, stop talking. Hold on, Celine.
The inspectors love Glenmaid line.
Yeah.
This is the line they're in the most. 100%.
You mean the JP pool?
The what?
When I was in the JP pool. Why could you stay here for 2 weeks? Why are we staying here for 2 weeks?
Where?
2 weeks.
Where?
No.
Why?
Because suddenly, it's been a week now. And now we're doing another week.
No, it's not. No, we arrived Thursday. So we'll be 1 week
I don't want to
Thursday, next
stand
week Tuesday.
Daddy, look it. Daddy, look. Daddy, look at it. Look. Look at all the trees.
Nice trees.
Look.
I like trees.
Look at your window. Look at
Queensland.
your window.
Queensland.
There. It's your window.
Window.
That's not your
Next stop is Jordanville. Dito mag-stop si Daddy Mike before, guys. When we live here, Daddy Mike work in the city.
Stop.
Dito siya mag
Now arriving at Jordanville.
Jordanville, honey!
Lady.
Dito na, dito pinanganak si Celine. Diyan, somewhere there, aming bahay. Hey. Looks the same, doesn't it?
Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's sleepy Jordanville.
Are you crying? Are you crying?
No. What would I go?
Mama's crying.
It looks like you are. It looks like you are.
Mama's crying. Trust me, she is. It's okay, Mama.
All day.
Now arriving at Mount Waverley.
We're here.
Unlock. Later show this.
Yes. Ready, steady. We're going this way. Come. We're getting off this side.
There's a big gap on this one. Come.
Okay. Go.
Okay, just wait till I get up. I'll put the pram out and I'll pull you up. Wait.
Stop singing.
Okay.
What is it?
This was our local shop before. Walang masyadong nagbago, ha? Same.
Very similar?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
That's like anything changed at all?
No, this is the same. Delish, it's the same. Here we are. The Swiss Bakehouse.
So like coming with that?
Let's see. Cool. Oh my god, they're busy. They're busy.
I don't know.
This is Tommy.
No, Jamie.
I mean, I keep saying that wrong.
I think it's full, Bob.
That's right, come in.
Hi, how are you? Oh wow, look at that. It looks good. Oh wow, they're busy. Wow, it's full. It's packed. Yes, baby. Look at that. Wow, it's looking good. He's doing really well. I know. Did he say it's here? Oh, it's warm here. It's warm here. Lovely. That looks really good, Daddy. He's done very well here. That's Jamie then. You give him a cuddle? You're gonna give him a cuddle?
But it is Jamie. But it is Jamie.
Last time I
Oh yeah, oh my god. Good to see you.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hello, baby, love. Yeah, mate. Still killing it, mate. Still got no way back.
Croissant, guys.
Give us some of yours.
Toasted, the almond one. That is got the sausage roll. And the got sweets, of course.
You're the best. I actually gave her the biscuit. Oh, no, I actually got it.
Share. Share, please. You're gonna go to waste from. It's okay, they can share. Happy turn. Daddy's got the oat latte and I've got hot chocolate.
Is it a good hot chocolate?
This is so yum, Bob.
Is it? Whose is better? I'm asking Auntie a question. Whose is better?
Careful with your answer, Ate. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Chadstone Shopping Center. And kinikita lang namin yung kaibigan ni Daddy Mike, guys.
See you later.
See you! That way. See you! Miles, see, madam. Alright. Lady! Alright. We'll have a look around, guys. Diyan kami, nag-coffee kami kasama yung kaibigan ni Daddy Mike. And we are... Yeah, we'll go around kasi it's not even 3 o'clock kasi... Yeah, look! Tiffany & Co, Louis Vuitton. What else have we got in here? Saint Laurent. And there's Dior. Alright, this way. Ready? Push your Lini. Lini girl.
Push it, I said.
No more, okay?
I'll take over. I'll just send it.
We've got Gucci, Chanel that way, and Cartier. Oh my goodness. Bulgari, Hermes on that side, Fendi, Valentino, Miu Miu, everything that you can think of. Andito, guys. So, nandito kami nakatira before sa Mount Waverley, guys. It's literally 7 minutes drive. And every week, nandito kami. Many times, sweetie. Yeah, which way do we go? This way.
Anyway, you want mommy?
We'll go just have a look around, guys. Why not? Diba? Tingin-tingin lang. Malag di magbili-bili, magtingin-tingin lang. That's pretty cool, huh? The luggage. You can ride. Sobra akong na-surprised, guys, kasi alam niyo ba, may habang nagkakape kami doon, may pumasok na babae. Sabi ko, she looked very familiar to me. At siya pala yung vlogger, guys, na, you know, like handbag, you know, all the luxury stuff. Siya yung palaging pinapanood ko, guys, sa YouTube. Kaya I went and said hi to her. And sabi niya, oh, thank you for supporting my channel. And ganyan. Kaya hindi ako nagpa-picture kasi nahiyaman ako, guys. I just wanted to say hi sa kanila. Okay. Oh, Nak, what's that? Look, read it. Celine. That's Lady's name. So we've got Loewe, Moncler. Very minimalistic that area. Nini? Got Valentina there. Oh, I love that brand. I love their stuff. Nandito kami sa harap ng Welcome to the Circus. Ito, si mami nyo ay, my goodness, sa inyo. Edit pag may time para may upload tayo po tonight. Oh! Winnie!
Dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go. You'd never know that she's just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic. Texts from all her friends, 'cause she's late again. Ooh, she'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer that this is her song. Just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go, yeah. You'd never know, she's just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic. It's a Friday night, turned on all her lights. Ooh, an open window. It's a Friday night, turned on all her.
We're claiming our prize now. Time check tayo, guys. It's now 8:23 ng gabi. So as you can see, nandito na tayo sa room natin. Ang ating baby Celine ay Sleeping Beauty na. I don't know if you can see her behind me. Nakatulog siya sa taxi. So Daddy Mike and Ate Paris na sa baba pa. Nagsiswimming pa yung dalawa. Share ko sa inyo kung ano yung nangyari kanina, guys. So kanina sa shopping center, pinakita ko sa inyo yung dress ko. That dress I actually bought from Zara late last night nung nasa city kami, kasi hindi na kami nakapag-vlog nung nakauwi kami, so hindi ko napakita yung mga nabili ko. So I bought 3 items, I know 4, and that's one of the 4 na binili ko. And I really love the dress, guys. So sabi ko, isuot ko today. So this morning, nagkaroon na siya ng maliit na aberya. Kasi yung zipper niya, parang nagka-catch siya sa gitna. So hindi siya nagko-close ng mabuti. Anyways, I thought I fixed it. Kasi inano ko siya, pinang ginanon-ganon. Tapos nag-open close na siya. Sabi ko, it's okay. So I took the tag off. Andito pa nga yung tag niya. Ayan. Yan yung presyo niya, ha? $119 from last night. And sinuot ko na siya. I was, very happy. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina yung ating outfit for the day. And nung naglalaro kami ng mga kids, guys, doon sa nung sumakay kami sa cart. So, guys, nibuka. My goodness. So, alam niyo ba, the whole time, kasi I took it off kasi open naman siya dito. Tapos naisipan ko, guys, kasi may Zara doon sa baba lang ng pinaglaruan namin. So, I went back there and buti na lang, guys, kasi naka-trench coat ako. Alam niyo ba, umuwi si mami niyo na walang saplot. Actually, hindi na literal na walang saplot. But wala akong damit sa pangilalim, guys, kasi I returned the dress. Buti na lang, guys, yung return dito sa Australia is super easy. Like, hindi maraming mga chichi-burechi na ganito, ganyan. Basta may receipt ka lang, makita nila na you're legit. Like, nire-refund nila or in-exchange nila. So, alam nyo bang ginawa ko, guys? So, I took it off. I took it back to Zara. Sabi ko, this is what happened. I just bought it last night and it's broken now. Actually, it was broken this morning. But I thought, I'd give it a go. Anyways, I showed the receipt. And then, sabi nila, we'll check if we have this in stock. Kasi, yung damit na yun is parang bagong labas. So, sabi nila, normally kasi, yung Zara sa city, they get the newest stock earlier than, Chadstone Shopping Center. So, chinek nila yung system, guys, and meron silang, ang naiwan na size is medium, large, and extra large, and small yung suot ko. So, sabi ko, okay, I'll give the medium a go, kasi, baka hindi malaki yung diferensya. And I tried it on. Sobrang laki niya, guys. Ang laki niya dito, ang laki niya dito. So, okay lang tong dito. Okay lang ako doon. But yung dito kasi parang nalalaglag siya and I'm not comfortable with it. So, sabi ko, it's okay. I said, I'm just gonna get a credit. I like a credit note. So, pupunta ako ng Melbourne City sa Burke Street. May size mall kasi sila doon. Doon na lang ako kukuha ng yung pang-exchange. But sabi niya, it's okay. I can give you a refund if you like. So, sabi ko, okay, just in case hindi kami makapunta na city, diba? Kasi sa Sunday, uuwi na kami. So, nirefund na lang niya, guys. At sabi ko, I can't be bothered like finding another clothes there. And this is fine naman. Tignan nyo naman. Okay lang naman siya kasi trench coat naman. So, hindi siya. Ang worry ko lang kanina is maginaw. Kasi wala akong pang sa loob. Ito lang yung suot ko from the shopping center. But hindi naman siya halata, diba? But I was like sad kasi sabi ko, I wanted to take like a nice photo outside the maraming mga brands pa doon. Kaya mag-aura-aura pa sana ako doon, guys. Kaya lang ito naman lang yung damit ko. Kaya hindi na wala nangyaring picture doon. But anyways, that was just very unfortunate, guys, kasi I really love that dress. Maybe if I get a chance to go to the city again, I will repurchase, or maybe pagdating namin sa Brisbane, I'll get that one kasi I really like the fit ng dress. Faulty lang talaga siya, guys. But I'm very happy they refunded straight away with no problem. Anyways, apart from that, we had a good day. We saw our friends. Actually, they're Daddy Mike's friends na naging friends ko na rin. It was a great day all in all.